I just pulled up a couple other leads here. I'll make one last comment, and I know, Randy, you've heard me say this kind of joke before, but the way I think about it is, listen, like, I can wash my own car. It's not hard. I don't wash my own car like that. Why? That's just not the appropriate use of my time. It would take me, an hour and a half to do a good job, where I can, drop it off somewhere, 30 minutes, do something else with my day. So, you want to think about all of your process, especially your sales process in this regard. Which parts can you automate? What parts of this job do you want to do? And hey, if you love working leads, work your leads.
Yeah, sure.
Like, do it. Like, if that's the thing that you love. I have yet to find somebody who loves it that much. We make it a game for our concierge staff. They have a ton of fun doing that. Daniel Rios, our VP on that side of things, and he makes that department run and hum, and they're all having a wonderful time. So
that's awesome.
That's kind of my shtick, is get rid of the jobs that don't make sense for you to be doing or aren't the right skill set for you.
Yeah, it's a really good exercise that anyone should do is figure out what is your time worth on an hourly basis? How much are you worth per hour, right? So figure out, are you worth $50 an hour? Are you worth $5,000 an hour? Figure out that number, then determine what different pieces of the process are worth as well, right? What is lead generation worth an hour? What is calling leads worth an hour? If it is worth less than what you make or what you are worth an hour, then you probably shouldn't be doing it yourself, right? So that's a really important exercise everyone should go through. And then once you do that, it's going to give you perspective on what you should be doing and what you should be hiring for. And odds are what you are worth an hour is going to be greater than spending hours per day calling leads. I mean, if that wasn't true, then Verse wouldn't be a successful business, but they are. So obviously, this is a piece of the sales process that is worth hiring for, and Verse is an obvious hire.